Assalamu alaikum, my name is Haider Ali. I welcome all those who watch and listen to IslamicTube. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, so that you will get notifications of every new video. There was a king who was not having a son. Someone advised him to sacrifice a little child in his kingdom. By sacrifice the little child, son will be born in your house. So the king announced that the house from which the child will be given, that house will be given a lot of money. When a family heard this, they sent their youngest child to them. That it is of no use to us, keep it. All preparations for the sacrifice were made. The king asked the child, "What is your last wish?" So the child said, "Just bring me a pile of dirt." So the child built 4 small houses. When the house was built, the child kicked 3 houses and knocked them down, and folded his hands in front of one and prayed. And he said to the king, "Now sacrifice me." The king felt very strange. He was afraid that the child had done some magic or something. He asked the child, "What did you do?" The child said, "I demolished the first house that belonged to my parents. They did not support me, they sold me for money. The second house belonged to my relatives. They also did not explain to my parents, did not forbid them from doing so. Their house was also demolished. The third house was yours. It was your job to take care of the people, to protect them. But you thought of sacrificing me, so I also demolished your palace. The fourth house is the house of my God. I have said with folded hands in front of them, that from now on you will take care of everything." Hearing this, the king thought deeply. He said, "May it not happen that even after sacrificing, I will not have a son." So he hugged the child with tears in his eyes, and accepted him as his own son. The message of the Quran only says that you bow down before that God before whom no one can harm you.